My remote learners. I'm going to give you a quick tour of what to expect in class today. All right, so first you're going to find yourself on my PowerSchool page, Spanish 5, and go ahead and click on Dia de los Muertos tab, and then you're going to click on Dia número dos, which means day number 2. You'll see this video after I record it right here underneath the 2. And then you can scroll down here, excuse me, to follow along with the slides that I will show in class. I won't show the class slides too long since we are going to have a lot of independent work today, but they look something like this. A lot of times my 6th grade remote learners like to have the slides open in addition to me showing them from the webcam in the classroom. So it has the agenda, it has the date, and then it also has the 2 videos we will watch in class today. So first, you are going to read and translate with a partner the Dia de los Muertos slides. So they are, I actually need to change these out. Excuse me, my order. They are located right here. You click on them, and then we will do our best to just translate starting at slide 4. We're going to start at slide 4 and read about the papel picado and the pan de muerto. So you guys can go into the chat in the Zoom and discuss how you think this translates, okay? So just, you can just copy all of us, speak to everyone, and then the 4 of you can just chat amongst yourselves about how you think it should be translated. And the girls in the classroom are going to pair up and do that part. And then next is the questions of the day. So we have the questions of the day look like this. So you'll just scroll through and say what your name is, and then answer our usual, what day is it? How do you feel? What's the weather like? And then I'll get your responses from my end. And then next you'll watch the videos, which are linked in the slides of the day right here. And then you're going to vote by clicking on this Google form. Oops, and it looks like this. So all you have to do is tick which one of the 2 you like best. And then last but not least, we're going to work on creating our Bitmoji Las Ofrendas. And so that is where you link right here. And if everyone is linking to, I can't remember if your class got started on this last time, because I actually have had to be at home for the last day too for a sore throat. Now I'm cleared to go back to school in about an hour. So I have it written down on my desk, but I can't remember if you guys started your Bitmoji altars, but they look like this. So if everyone in the class is opening this document at the same time, sometimes it takes a second. So just be prepared for that. But you're going to create your very own Bitmoji altars. And to do this, you'll choose a background. You can see where I chose this kind of turquoise room. And you just go to the different slide accessories to build your own Dia de los Muertos ofrenda or altar. And you can dedicate it to somebody that you know that has passed away, a loved one or a famous person, and just choose different accessories to add to your room. And to do this, you just, let's say, I like to start with the sofas. Click on a sofa that you like, and then you hit Control Copy, and it will copy that sofa and paste it into a room by going Control V. So select the thing you like by Control C, paste it by Control V, and then you can move it around, you can make it bigger or smaller, and then you move on to the next thing and choose something else that you like. So hopefully that makes sense. I will be there waiting for your questions in the classroom, of course, but I just wanted to give you a little overview first. Adios.